So I was just slapping this PC together, and I got the board all put in, the wiring all razzled up, and made it all nice and tucked and pretty. And then I went to go put the fans in. And this one fan came with it. I'm like, oh, I'll put some intake fans in it. I looked at the top, and you can see there's only some feather light slits that are, I can't even get my fingernail in, so I'm guessing like a 64th or a 32nd amount of gap. I mean, you can just see how minimal that gap is on the top, but that's not the worst of it. The most embarrassing thing here is the front. The whole side is fully blocked off, top, bottom, right side, and top side. And look at this embarrassment right here. Ready? Explain to me where this computer is supposed to draw fresh air from. I'm physically at a loss for words. There's nothing. There's maybe, well, here's a Sharpie for reference. I can't even put a Sharpie, a fine point Sharpie, between the fan mounting bracket and the front. Oh, if I force it and bend it a little, I can. That's maybe 3/8 of a gap. I mean, that is minimal, and it's fully sealed off everywhere with one little RGB strip in there, and that's just, I can't build this. I'm literally gonna have to call the customer and tell them that this isn't gonna happen. Like, I have a soul. This is absolutely inexcusable. I'm sorry if my stuttering, my pronunciation of words isn't like ideal, but I'm just literally completely flabbergasted right now of how poor this airflow is going to be. So this is a DIY case, so no surprise there. But wow, what an absolute piece of